In this guide, we're going to be going over how you can install the LSPDFR mod here in GTA 5. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there so I can help you out further. But if you don't know what this mod is, and I'm sure you do since you clicked on this video, it actually lets you play as a police officer here in GTA 5, respond to callouts, and use the real police features. And this mod works in story mode only, so do not use this in GTA Online, otherwise you could get banned. The first thing you're going to want to do is close out of GTA 5 and open up a web browser of your choice, and just go to lspdfr.com. And it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, where you can just go ahead and hit confirm to just allow them to use your cookies. And from here, just scroll down, and what you're looking for is this little download option right here. Go ahead and select that. Hit this little X because that's 90% of the time an ad, and then just scroll down, and what you're going to want to do is look once again for that little download option. It should be on the right hand side. Scroll down, hit download this file, and then from here hit agree and download, and then you're going to see two different options on here: a manual install as well as the setup. In this video, I personally am going to choose the setup installer since it is way easier, but you can do the manual if you want, and I'll probably make a separate guide going over that, so just stay tuned for that if you'd rather use that than the installer. But essentially, it's going to take about 5 seconds, and it's going to automatically start downloading for you. If it does not start, simply hit this little click here option and it'll start downloading. And as you can see, that is the setup right here. You're going to want to wait for this to finish. And before you actually open up this, what you're going to want to do is actually close out of this and go to your GTA 5 installation folder. To do this, pretty much open up whatever, installer that you have for GTA 5, whatever platform you bought it through. In this case, mine is Epic Games. Go to your library, select the little 3 dots, go to manage, and then just go to installation location. And the reason you're going to want to do this is just because you need to make sure that you have a clean copy of GTA 5, meaning, once again, no other mods installed. Now, to do this, essentially, you could just open up this folder, go to the mods tab, and if you have anything in here, just go ahead and delete it. Or you can also just go to an option and verify your game's files. It'll verify them and just make sure any old mods that are in here are removed, and it'll reset that game as well to before those mods were installed. And it may take a little bit of time to do this, so just keep that in mind. But whenever it finishes, we can move on to the next step. Now, once it does finish, what you're going to want to do is close out of this and go back to that installer. So you can open up Chrome for this again and just simply select that installer, and it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. Now, if it does say Windows protected your PC, just hit more info and then hit run anyways. Then hit yes, and the setup is going to begin loading. It doesn't take that long. Hit OK, hit next, hit I agree, and then just hit next a few times and install one more time. And it's going to begin installing the game for you. Once it does finish, simply go ahead and hit finish. And then from here, you can go ahead and guide yourself through this just by hitting next a few times. Hit show license, and you are going to have to accept this again, so just keep that in mind. Once it does finish, you can go ahead and close out of it. It should automatically close for you. Whenever it does close, all you got to do is actually just head to the Rockstar Games launcher, open up settings, and just make sure you turn off Battle Eye. Once you turn off Battle Eye, you're good to load in and start playing in story mode. And to actually open it up, simply press F4 and type in go to PD, press tab and enter, and you'll teleport to the police station. And from here, you can press enter to go in duty. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.